Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining what are different types of triangles. So sorry, like this not. What are triangles? So there are different types of triangles, and the first main type of triangle is scalene. Scalene triangle. So what basically scalene triangle is? So scalene triangle means that none of the angles are equal. Neither two of the angles are same or even all three are same. So this is known as scalene triangle X, Y and Z. The second type of triangle, which is isosceles triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means that two lines are equal and two angles are also equal. So these two lines are equal and angle x and angle y are both same, but angle x z is different. So two angles are same and one is not equal to other two. So this is known as scalene triangle, isosceles triangle. Sorry. Then third type of triangle is equilateral triangles. So what is equilateral triangles? So equilateral lateral triangles. Equilateral triangle means when all of the angles are same. So basically the total of a triangle is 180 degrees. Total is 180 degrees. So if all angles are same, so we will divide 180 by 3, which will be 60 degrees. So all three angles will be 60 degrees each. So this is equilateral triangles. And the last type of triangle is other triangles, meaning there are different types of other triangles. First is acute angle triangles. Basically, what is acute angle triangles? This means that acute angle triangles. So acute angle triangles means when all three angles of a triangle is less than 90 degrees. You can see it from the acute. Acute means less than 90 degrees. Like this, sorry. Less than 90 degrees. So the angle will be less than 90 degrees. Then second type of angle we have is right angle triangle. So what is right angled triangles? Right angled triangles. Right angle triangles mean when one of the angle is 90 degrees and other two is less than 90 degrees. So two angles will be acute angle and one angle will be 90 degrees. So this will be referred to as 90 degrees. So this is about right angle triangle. And the last type of triangle is obtuse angled triangle. So what basically obtuse angled triangle mean? Obtuse angled triangle mean that one of the triangle angle is greater than 90 degree. So one angle will be greater than 90 degree and the other two will be less than 90 degrees. So other two will be acute, 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 and this will be obtuse as referred to the name of the triangle, obtuse angle triangle. So this is how we can, there are 5 different types of triangle, 6 type of triangles in triangle. So here are some examples of triangle, some example questions. So if we look at the first angle or triangle, over here we have to calculate the angle of x, and inside we have two angles, which is 60 and 80. So when we add 60 and 80, that is 140 degrees. And when we will subtract this from 180, we will get the angle of this, but we have to calculate the angle of x. So 140 will stay as same, and this will be the angle for x. So we will write x is equal to 140 degrees. Second type of question is, we have the angle 70 and angle of outside, which is 125, and we have to calculate the value of y. So what we will do is, we will subtract 180 minus 125, which will be 55. Then we will add this into 70 and less this from 180. So 55 plus 70 minus 180, that will be 55 degrees. So 55 will be the value for y. So y is equal to 55 degrees. Then for the third question, over here we have 82 degrees and 30, and we have to calculate the value of x. So we write x is equal to 180 minus 82 minus 30, that will be 68 degrees. So the value of x is 68 degrees. And for the next question, over here we have value of 90, and these both angles are same because they have the same letter. So what we will do is, we will write 180 minus 90, which will be again same as 90, divided by 2. So divided by 2 will be 45 degrees each. So the x will be, both x values are 45 each. So this is how we will calculate the types of triangles and how we will calculate the angles for each type of triangle. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. See you in the next video. Bye.